The next method is called getAllByUser. It's also public function getAllByUser. And we obviously want to get all of the records from the ratings table this time, because we will want later on to reset them. So this specific method will be used with the reset procedure. So we check if it's an empty, and we're looking for this underscore user. Then we go for if this object db equals null, then this connect, and then SQL statement, which will be select all from this table to where user equals question mark, and then statement equals this object db prepare our SQL statement, and then statement execute an array, and we pass our this underscore user as parameter. Now return statement fetch all and PDO fetch a sock. Okay, so that's our getAllByUser method. Now let's create a few new lines again. We're going to create a few more methods within this class. And the next one is called public function reset. So now we check if isn't empty this underscore user, otherwise we return false. So if it isn't empty, list equals this getAllByUser, and then we go if isn't empty list. If it's an empty list, then we obviously do something, otherwise return false again. If it is an empty list, obviously we go for the for each loop, list as row, then field equals row, rate equals 1, then it's going to be up, otherwise down. Then this remove rating, and we pass row item as first parameter, then field as the second one. And now we go for SQL equals delete from, and a curly brackets, this underscore table 2 where user equals question mark, and then statement equals this object user prepare our SQL statement, and then return statement execute array and our user record, so user ID. Okay, so we have our user. And obviously what we're doing here, we're removing all of the records from a table 2, which is our ratings table. The first one we'll do obviously is going to remove the record from the main table, which is a comments table. And how we're doing this, basically we're checking the fields. So if this list of obviously records from the table 2, we're looping through all of them. If the value is 1, that means the up needs to be reduced. If value is 0, that means that the down value needs to be reduced. So we basically assigning the right field to this field variable. And then obviously we remove rating, we pass the item ID, and then which field should be reduced, basically as a second parameter. Remove rating is the method we're going to be working on in the next video. Oh, sorry, before we actually move, I just realized the lit should be like this rather than the way I did type it before. So yeah, let's move to the next video.